guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I have already uploaded the unbagging of my regular Ipsy. I've also done BoxyCharm and Allure this month as well. So I will have those linked below if you do want to check out more subscription boxes. But this is the Ipsy Plus, and so far I think I've had it 2 or 3 months, and I'll link my other months down below if you want to check them out. But you do pay $25 instead of $10 for this one. I'm pretty sure that's the right amount, but you do get a lot more for your money, and so far it's been pretty good. I had 1 month that I was like, it's okay. The other month I really liked, and I think this one is going to be really good. This is probably going to be the best one that I've received personally, if I saw the spoilers correctly. Let's dive into this box. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Absolutely. Ooh, sneak peek. So we do have, of course, the little pamphlet here. It's got different color Ipsy boxes. So cute. Oh, okay. So I'm already seeing things in here, and this is a good bit of stuff. So let's start right on top. This is the Trestique Matte Color and Shiny Lip Balm Crayon. I got the shade Belize Bordeaux. This is the box. So I have had one of these before, and I actually really liked it. So this is the component right here. You have your color, and I think these are magnetic. Yeah. So these have a little magnetic snap to them. Really nice. I'll swatch the color. So this is the matte part. What a horrible swatch. Oh, that's really cute. I don't know why I envisioned it being more of like a deep dark wine, but it's like a cute like pinkish berry. Really cute. And then if you open this side, they put a little sticker on it so you know you have just a little balm, and I'll swatch that. Okay, yeah, I think these have no color. This one might have like the slightest tint. It's right along here. So hardly any color, if at all. But I used the one previously that I received, and I actually really liked it. I need to like dig that one out. I don't know where it went. Because when I have like one single lip product from a brand, or it's not like others that I have, it just gets lost. I don't know what happens. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Let's see how much this cost. Hello. So this goes for $25, which is not really that bad when you consider that you're kind of getting 2 products in one. So yeah, very happy about that. Let's see what's next. All right, we got something from Suva Beauty. This is the Hydra Liner. It is in the shade Grease, which is a nice black. Can never go wrong with a black liner. So if you aren't familiar with these, they actually require water to kind of like activate them. So they come in, it's like a cake form. So you use a bit of water, and then you go in and line as you wish. So I actually have these in like the bright neon colors. Speaking of bright neons, I have the Huda neon green obsessions on my eyes right now, and this is beautiful. It also includes the brush. So this is the 620, and it looks like this is like a really tiny liner brush. And I'm really excited because when I bought my other liners, I bought them at IMATS. I did not get a brush to go with them specifically, and I have some, but like they're not as nice as this one. And this is like a really nice pointy little brush. I'm just using my hand as kind of a background so that you can see it a little bit better, but this is like nice and pointy and great for doing a really precise wing. So I can't wait to get into my liners with this brush. I'm definitely going to use this with my neon ones, and you can never have too many black liners. So this set goes for $26 for the 2, and I also think these are really cool too because you have to add water. They aren't going to like dry out on you like a liquid liner, so you won't run out of it quick, and you get a hefty amount in here. I'm actually curious. This is 0.35 ounces. That's a lot for a liner. So yeah, it's pretty hefty. This little jar is full. Not like some where you think it's bigger than it is. Like this guy is full. This is really nice. Yay! I'm excited to get stuff from Suva. Next, I have a palette. This is the Tetris and Ipsy Game On palette, which I'm just assuming is the name. Yes, Game On eyeshadow palette. This is valued at $24. It's green. It's got 6 shades. These are really big pans in here. The blue's a little dusty. I want to swatch this Game Changer, which is like a mustard, and then this Game Night. Oh, what? Okay, let me swatch a few more. Whoa. Okay, so there are some colors there so you can see. It's actually pretty nice. I didn't know really what to expect with this palette because it's just like Tetris and Ipsy. That actually looks pretty nice. I'm excited to play around with that like mustard color and the green and the blue for sure. Whoa! So next is the CEO from Sunday Riley. This is Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. It seems like they changed the jar. I feel like the jar was kind of like squattier before. Squattier? Is that a word? This goes for $65. That's a crazy value. And I actually have tried this before and I really like it, but I think I have one. I feel like I have one of these in the older packaging. I need to see if I still have it or if I used it up because I can't remember, but I really enjoyed this one. It's definitely more like rich hydration, but everybody needs a little vitamin C in their life. So I'm excited to have this. This is really nice. All right, we have one last thing. This is from Tula Skincare. It's in a little bag. It looks like some sheet masks. Okay, it comes with 3. So this is the Tula Probiotics and Superfoods Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel Mask. So this came in a set of 3, and the set of 3 goes for $26. That's kind of crazy. This is a nice little value. I'll have to try one of these out really soon. So let me add up the value. So this is a $166 value for everything. That's insane. That's really, really good. And I have to say this has probably been the most exciting box for me that I've had from Ipsy Plus. Lately, I've really been liking the original Ipsy as well, but this one is just like right up there. I think I'm probably most excited for the Suva liner and the brush, and I'm definitely excited for the CEO as well. I am happy to get everything, but these are the 2 that are like, ooh, I can't wait to use those. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate you guys stopping by and clicking on this video. As I said, I'll have a bunch of others linked below if you want to check them out. If you enjoyed, please do leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. It definitely helps me out. It helps my channel and my videos be seen by more people. So thank you so much. It really means the world to me. I do have one more thing to take care of, and that's our dad joke. If you don't want to see that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And if you do want to watch, then let's do our dad joke. I took the shell off my racing snail to make him go fast, but now he's sluggish. Oh my god. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.